The NaturalMotion interface is shown here in its overview state, with the cube in a monotone color mapping. The user rotates the cube into different positions to examine changes along different axes in different regions of the cube. The user swipes horizontally, first switching to a time-based color map. He then swipes again to switch to a weight-based color map. In this weight-based color map, the user notices a sudden burst of the larger blue cubes in one of the central regions of the matrix cube. He thus decides to investigate this observation more carefully in the detailed single slice view by selecting the slice and making a downward tapping motion. The single slice view reveals that a significant volume of trade between China and Malawi occurred in 2002. The user checks the slice of the previous year and the following year to notice that though there was absolutely no trade between these countries a year prior in 2001, trade continued between them the following year in 2003. The user uses a clockwise circular motion to rapidly scroll through subsequent slices, making a cursory determination of how long this trade relationship continued. The user then switches to the multi-slice view to see how the trade relationship between these two countries developed over time. The multi-slice view reveals that the volume of trade between China and Malawi fluctuated through the years following 2002. By swiping right to view earlier slices, the user confirms that the relationship began in 2002 with a high volume of trade. The user then swipes down to return to the overview cube state, where he can potentially begin the process of discovering yet another new insight.